Crime Free Bharat is the noble mission launched by Shri M.S. Gupta ji is the need of the hour because the people in the society are not getting the justice whenever it is due. The economic progress of our country will suffer badly if people are not sure about the justice if something goes wrong with them. Please understand that the investment environment in the country, whether it is foreign investment or Indian investment, will only improve when the people will feel that the kind of money they are putting into projects and the people they are employing, the money they are lending to, the material they are supplying to, the payment is safe, and if someone tries to hoodwink them or not to pay back, the law will swiftly help them. Crime Free Bharat is also very important to uplift the people from the poverty and the social and educational backwardness, as those who are at the receiving end because of the historical or any other reason, they will have a chance to get justice which is timely, which is relevant, which is less costly, and which is judicious. So we all support the Crime Free Bharat mission with all our best wishes to this mission. Thank you very much.